Welcome to this video guide on managing the Klarna module. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to configure the module settings and seamlessly integrate Klarna into your payment options. Whether you're a business owner or a developer, this guide will help you align the Klarna module with your specific business needs. Let's dive in. After successfully installing the Klarna module, follow these steps to configure it for optimal performance. Navigate to the Modules, Payment, and Online tabs. Locate the Klarna module and click on the Edit button to access its settings. In the Settings section, configure the module options. Toggle to enable the module for your website. Enter the username, password, and Klarna Services client ID provided by Klarna. Choose whether to use JS for Klarna Payment or Snippet for Klarna Checkout. Assign allowed countries and currencies. Set order statuses for orders made with Klarna by selecting statuses from the drop-down list. Enable test mode if you wish to conduct test transactions. Activate the Express button on the shopping cart page. Enter the debug email address for invalid transaction parameters. Set the link regarding the policy for this payment method in the conditions field. Control the order in which payment options are displayed during checkout by entering a value in the corresponding field. Lower values prioritize Klarna over other payment methods. Assign a minimum order amount for this payment method. Enable or disable this payment method for products with special and/or promotion prices. Configure the Express button theme default, light, or dark. In the Restrictions section, tailor the Klarna module to your requirements. Restrict Klarna to specific customer groups, countries, and website pages. Specify the module name for both the backend and frontend in your desired language. Click Update to save your configuration. You've successfully configured the Klarna module to enhance your payment options. Now, your customers can enjoy a seamless and secure checkout experience with Klarna. Thank you for watching, and happy integrating!